It's a video, bro. Say hi.
Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened. Your seat backs and tray tables are in the upright position, and all your carry-on items are completely underneath the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet clear.
Grab yourself a complimentary water from the
Sailor, what's up, girl?
So right now we're in the moment where Derek is asking Cassie if he can go scuba diving. And what was the response?
You do you, boo.
And what was the response?
That's not good.
Mimosas, and then maybe we're gonna go get some food.
What are we doing, mommy?
Walking a mile for bottomless mimosas because the 21-year-old said
so. Because we need some bottomless mimosas and breakfast. We're about to have some fun, man. About to have a good time.
Bottomless mimosas? Are you kidding me?
Let's go.
I mean, are you kidding
Let's
me?
go.
I'm really excited for these bottomless mimosas. I don't think that my head is ready for it, the amount of migraine that I'm gonna get, but it's blackout season this week, so here we go.
Hello, good morning, how you doing? Waking up, shaking yesterday's blues, yeah. Turn the TV off, it's bad news, man. Feeling fresh like a Ziploc new man. OJ with a champagne tune-up. Mimosa Holy Ghost running through ya. Hell yeah, it's a new hallelujah. Popping like the top off a bottle and I ain't stopping yet.
Here we go, here we go. We are walking to the room. We're gonna grab the bags and then we are headed on the boat. Just so excited, man. So excited. Look at these people.
So are you guys going on Royal Caribbean as well? Or who's going to Royal Caribbean? Oh yeah! Any first-time cruisers? Oh yeah! You guys are going to learn really quick. I'm not sponsored by Royal Caribbean, I wish, but hey, let me know. Royal Caribbean, greater than Norwegian or Carnival, I will go down to my grave. Royal Caribbean, I know, but Royal Caribbean is way better than any of the other cruise lines, so look for me. We're at Coco Cay getting Coco Loco.
I don't need a Bahama mama. I am a Bahama mama.
Are you a Bahama daddy? Look at them pineapples though.
Know about that pineapple, boy. All right, it's time to take this party back to the boat. Let's go. I love this guy. I love that guy right there. He's the best. You. I was telling the camera, I love that guy right there. You. I love you right there. All right, just a little disclaimer here. This is Al. He is a bartender for Royal Caribbean. Both him and his wife spend more than 9 months out of every year away from their 2 children who are back in the Philippines. They do this to pay for their schooling and to provide for their family. All week, Al kept complimenting us on our GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. So as a group, we decided to bless Al and his family with this little gift right here. Hey, that's for you and your family, man. Yeah, for sure. Man, you look handsome. Sailor, you are pretty. Filming myself, filming.
I like daddy more.
Over there. Let's see. How many times can we make it happen? With 4 mirrors. You guys all look amazing. Time for some good food. Sailor, what did he call you?
Princess.
All right, last day means Nassau Day, baby. Here we go.
Cause when it's all said and done, family's all that we got. A strictly love and unity, no we can't forget that. Through the thick and the thin, you always had my back. All the good times we shared, I forever treasure that. No, no, no. Yeah, you're my friend. all said and done, family's all that we got. A strictly love and unity, no we can't forget that. Through the thick and the thin, you always had my back. All the good times we shared, I forever treasure that. Cause when it's all said and done, family's all that we got. A strictly love and unity, no we can't forget that. Through the thick and the thin, you always had my back. All the good times we shared, I forever treasure that.
Your way. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home.
In the Bahamas, come on down and live, see Showtime. Live.